Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel. So dsum function, dcount, dmax. Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel. So the functions through this exercise, we are going to do dsum, dcount, data sum, data count, data mix. Say, first you type this. So this list, first you type this one. So then after that, so you type this also, the criteria with this title. So the Excel books, how many Excel books, how many CorelDRAW books, how to find out how to extract Excel book total. So how to find out this total through the dsum, data sum. So before that, just calculate this price into number of books. So the books price into number of books. The normal calculation equal price into number of books. Into number of books. So then press enter. You can found this one. So then after that copy. After that copy command. So this one total. Every books. Excel 100. Next Excel 100. 180. So likewise the next one 168 rupees. How to extract this one? Excel total how to extract, or CorelDRAW total how to extract, or Photoshop total how to extract. So now through this exercise, book number of total of Excel books. So this one criteria. So this one database range area. So now the total, find out the total. So now keep it on here, the cursor. Formulas, auto sum. See that these are that functions, sum, average, count numbers, like that. Other functions also there. The more functions you click on here. Say now dsum, data sum, dsum, dmax. So now click on here the dmax, dsum, dmin. Later you can do that others. So now dsum, from this list you click on here dsum. So then after that okay. So the function arrangement, function arguments. So the dsum, database area. So you click on here, highlight the list range, list area. So then click on here, field, total, field total. Click on there. So then select criteria, book Excel. So then after that click on here. See the result here 676 total, 676. So then after that okay. So this one extract only Excel book, total of Excel book. right? So the extracted Excel book total. So likewise, the next one, number of CorelDRAW books, number of CorelDRAW books, D count. Normally we are using that count. So this one D count. So then go back to formulas, auto sum, more functions. So then D count, D count. So the D count, so you select the D count. So then after that, okay. So it's the same as ADAV, database area. So then highlight the list range. So then after that, click on here. So then field, number of books, then click on here. So now criteria, book CorelDRAW, book CorelDRAW. So then after that, click on here, the number of books, result here 4. So then after that, okay. So likewise, next one, Dmax, number of books, Dmax. So then go back to auto sum, more functions, Dmax. Dmax, click on here, same as ADAV, database area, highlight the list range. So then click on here, field, number of books. So then click on here, criteria, book Excel. So then click on here, number of D count, result 7. So then after that, okay. Right? So likewise, say you can calculate others also. Dmin, the other functions you can use. Later also we can with another exercise. Say first you practice this, right? Bye.